Student registration for registrada Selepiata Formati. It go to DDW, ID, it and click on the register button. Select the type of account you want to create in your student case and fill in the required fields. Name, surname, email, password, city, and country. Then click on Proceed. You will receive an email of this type asking you to confirm your email address by clicking on this button or on the link below. 1. Once you have completed your registration, to access your account, just click on Login here at the top, enter your email and your password. Click on Login. As you can see, you will be asked to enter your book code here. Then click Confirm. If you have a class, ask your teacher for the class code and enter it below, then click Confirm. And you can start studying with your classmates. Good study.